everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this really cool variation of the square knot. Before we get started, I want to let you all know that I recently released my brand new macrame guides. There is a lot of great information in these guides, so please check out the link in the description to learn more information. Now, let's get started. Start by tying the first half of a square knot. To do this, I'm going to take the side on the far right and cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then the side on the left goes over the right cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull that tight. Now we're going to finish our square knot, but instead of forming the second half as normal, we're going to tie the knot behind the 2 ropes in the middle. So to do this, I'm going to take the string on the far left and send it behind the 2 in the middle. Then I take the side on the right over that left cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull it tight. Then we just form that first half of the square knot as before. Just like that, and that is what it will look like when you have tied that second half. So now we just take the left side behind to finish out that second square knot. And we repeat. And there we go. So this is what it will look like when you keep repeating that pattern over and over again. This is the front side that we see, and if you flip it around, we get this really pretty design as well. So you can also use this side for your project because it makes just as beautiful of a design. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.